Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. From the beginning, there has been no family or lineage in our minds. From the beginning, our minds have had no color. From the beginning, we have had nothing to exemplify within our minds. In our minds, there are no conventionalities to be discussed. In our minds, there are no houses or planetary fixations. In our minds, there is no transfer or change. In our minds, we have nothing to attribute to our sentience. In our minds, we have nothing to hunt for or to work on. In our minds, we have no failure, obstruction, or grounds for deviation. In our minds, we have no virtue or evil. Our existence has no determination, and in this way, a true absence is not something that exists. It is not permanent. It is also not annihilated. From the beginning, our minds have not traveled.